Hi, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Today marks the end of another year. 2023 is now coming to a close. In this year, we've had many successes, many accomplishments, and many goals that we've sought out and actually got. 23 marked a year where we as a people were able to finally bounce back from the pandemic that took place in the previous years that crippled this planet, crippled this nation, and almost crippled all of us. But through hard work, perseverance, a go getter attitude, and not giving up, we have come back and we are back better and stronger than ever. Here at Russ Darrow Mazda, we are thankful to you, the customers, who've helped us every step of the way to getting back to where we once were, but more importantly, to be better than we once were. Because of you, we are more successful as a company. And because of you, we are seeing more and more vehicles being delivered than ever before. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you for your help. And thank you for being there every step of the way with us. Here at Russ Darrow Mazda, we just want to say Happy New Year. We look forward to a very successful 2024. Stay safe, have a great night, and once again, from all of us to all of you, Happy New Year.